Hello, Vet Tumble.
Oh, hello, and welcome to my vet surgery. Ta-da!
Thank you. Who is your first patient, Vet Tumble?
Oh, it's the puppy. Oh dear.
Mr Tumble, the puppy's tail has stopped wagging.
Let me see. Oh, yes.
Mr Tumble, do you think you could help the puppy's tail to wag again?
Yes, I have just the cure. Wait. What? A hockey stick? Wait. Oh, yes. A dance for the puppy. Oh, look.
The puppy's tail is wagging again. Well done, Mr Tumble.
Woohoo! Laughter is very good for you.
It really is, Mr Tumble.
Oh, good puppy.
Mr Tumble, your next patient is ready.
Oh, of course. There we are. Still wagging.
Lord Monkey has a sore tummy, Mr Tumble.
Oh, dear. Lord Monkey has got a sore tummy. Oh, let's see now.
Why don't you use your stethoscope, Mr Tumble?
Oh, good idea. Wait. A telescope. Aha! Ta-da! A stethoscope. Oh!
I think Lord Monkey's hungry, Mr Tumble.
I think you're right. I know just the cure. Wait.
It's not for you, Mr Tumble. It's for Lord Monkey.
Oh, silly me. Hang on a minute. There we are. Enjoy.
Mr Tumble, you've got one last patient to see.
Have I? Oh, yes, of course. Come with me. Oh, Tumble Ted, thank you for waiting. Are you feeling poorly too? Oh, yes. Tumble Ted is feeling very cold.
Why don't you check his temperature, Mr Tumble?
Oh, good idea. Wait. Now, if I may. Don't worry. I have just the cure. Tumble Ted needs a good bear hug.
Good idea, Mr Tumble. A bear hug really is the best medicine to help you feel better.
There you go. Lovely and cosy and warm.
All of your animal patients feel better again.
I know. Oh, and thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome, Mr Tumble. Before you close your vet surgery for the day, please can you show us the sign for animal?
Oh, yes. Animal. You sign. Animal.
Thank you, Mr Tumble.
Hello! Thank you for watching! Woohoo! There are lots more videos here on my channel. Or you can enjoy watching something special on the CBeebies website.